If you use MSN email and want a cleaner inbox, one of the easiest things you can do is create folders to organize your messages. In this video, I'll show you how to create a folder in MSN email step by step, so you can keep important emails sorted, easier to find, and much better organized. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Now, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to Outlook.com because MSN email is managed through Outlook on the web. Once the page loads, sign in with your MSN account. Enter your email address and password, then wait for your inbox to open. If you're already signed in, you can skip this part and go straight to your mail. Now that you're inside your inbox, look for any email in your message list. You can click on any mail just to activate the toolbar options at the top. This step is important because it brings up the controls you need to organize your messages. Once an email is selected, look along the top menu for the Move to Folder option. Click the Move to Folder drop-down button. This will open a menu showing your existing folders and additional options. If you already have folders, you'll see them listed here. But since we want to create a brand new one, look for the option that says Create New Folder and click it. After clicking Create New Folder, a small box or prompt will appear asking you to name the folder. This is where you type the folder name you want to use. Try to choose something clear and easy to recognize, like Work, Receipts, School, Clients, or Important. The better you name your folders, the easier it will be to stay organized later. Once you've entered the folder name, double-check that it's spelled the way you want it, then click Save. Outlook will create the new folder immediately, and it will appear in your folder list on the left side of the screen. You can now start moving emails into it whenever you want. If you want, you can repeat this process to create as many folders as you need. For example, you might make separate folders for bills, newsletters, family, or projects. This is a great way to reduce clutter and make important messages much faster to find. It also helps if you receive a lot of emails every day and want a simple system that keeps everything neat. And that's it. You've successfully created a folder in MSN email. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference in how easy your inbox is to manage. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.